The Puppet Princess. Part 11. Part 12. You ain't like, I can't believe it. The series is going to say and this is going to close and the stay looking at the place.
10:30 a.m.
Stories and let's get started again.
Princess.
Drawings by Leonardo da Vinci.
And it's a time.
Funeral March of a Marionette. Written by Charles Francois Gounod.
Hello, I'm Corey. Welcome to the Pop Charlie.
Watch, I can make him say hello. Hello. What about you? Do you like
The puppets.
Cool. Well, today, my friends and I are going to see a puppet show. It's called The Three Silly Puppets and the Puppet Princess.
Ooh, a puppet princess. That sounds marvelous.
Wow, Ju! You can dance just like a puppet.
Rocket says it's time to go to the puppet show. Do you want to see the puppet show? Come on.
Seatbelts on! I'm sick! I'm sick!
Put your hands on your lap and pat with us.
Come on! Yes, sir! Watching the kids, and I'll tell you, say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yeah! Go ahead! Here we go!
To the puppet show.
Rock the sheep, rock the show, shine!
We're off to the puppet show.
Yeah, again!
It rocked in the Czech Republic.
Look!
Here comes the puppet leader for the show.
Sorry, the puppets fell off the theater!
Puppets.
Are you right?
The puppets are A-OK.
Silly puppets. Hi, puppets. My name is Jill, and these are my friends.
Hey! You're welcome to the play. Happy to come to the stage.
But now you better get back to the puppet theater. You don't want to be late for your show.
I don't see a puppet theater anywhere. Let's check with the binoculars. The puppet theater. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at this moment.
But Leo, it's rolling so far away.
It's going to prom without the puppets.
I'm sorry. Do not look at the theater left behind. Poor puppets, they sound saddest of the digital puppets. Look at the show.
I promise,
We need to go to the puppet show.
Fantastic.
Great. We all to the puppets, right, kids?
Right.
We got to do the mission. Putting on into the puppets to the puppet show. Let's the machine go out.
Begin!
March, 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 march.
Follow us, puppets. Silly puppets. We're going to teach the puppets
Marching band.
Ready?
Ready?
Put your feet
Put your feet at the front of you.
Lift your legs.
Lift with the legs.
Now lift one leg.
Leg for time.
March.
March, 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 march.
Can
You march, legs slightly. March, 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 march. Very good. March, 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 march.
Whoa.
Look, the puppets are starting to get it.
Starting to get it.
Show the again. March, 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 march.
Excellent marching, puppets.
Thanks for the teach. The silly puppets are marching. We're gonna pop a show. We're gonna pop a show. We're gonna pop a show.
Show. We're off to the puppet show.
Always show. What's the matter, Rocket? You're the people way. Oh, I see. What is it? Rocket found a sign. A warning sign.
It says that
The tree cannot his sticky sap at them.
Ew!
Puppets, you can't do it. Be careful. Don't touch any sticky sap trees.
Got it?
I want follow the.
I made it to the sticky trees. Us too.
But those the puppets.
Did the
Daddy is saying the puppets are stuck in these sticky sap trees. You're right, they did. Sorry! This is not gonna go. The red buckets are the put the stack in the sap. The yellow bucket is the stack in the sap. The orange bucket is stack in the sap. The green bucket is stack in the sap.
silly puppets? We have to help the puppets get unstuck so they can get to the puppet show.
I have the plan. We
We
can do the special. I can't see. Look, there's like a little friendship. We have the guy, the feeling like triangle.
Perfect. Now let's help the red puppet move his foot to
Watch movie to make life. It's sir. Fun, 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 fun. You got it! Red puppet unstuck.
Look how happy he is. Now let's help the yellow puppet get his
Watch movie to make like this. No, again. Apple, 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 apple.
He's free.
The yellow puppet is unstuck.
He sure looks happy.
The
One more puppet got unstuck. The orange puppet and the green puppet. What Scooby to make this? Eyes. What Scooby to make this? Nose. Again, nose.
Woohoo! You did it!
Now a happy puppet. Yeah, let's get into the feelings.
Get unstuck from the sticky, sappy trees. Excellent job.